Hi there, you're watching Market Glance, an overview of the top stories which may affect your trade as reported by Investing.com and brought to you now by DuakscopyTv. The dollar slid against the other major currencies on Friday, reversing a rally earlier in the week after data showed that the US economy added jobs at the slowest monthly rate this year in August. Euro-dollar hit session highs of 129.88 following the release of the jobs report, but then retraced most of those gains to settle at 129.51, trading 0.05% higher late Friday. Dollar yen fell to lows of 104.70 before pulling back to 105.08, still down 0.16% on the day. Today, markets in China are to remain closed for a national holiday. However, the country is to release data on the trade balance. Yen traders have much to keep an eye out for this week. After today's GDP and current account data release, the latest policy meeting minutes will be made public tomorrow. Machine orders is due on Wednesday before Kuroda's speech on Friday. From the UK, Mark Carney is to testify on inflation and economic outlook on Tuesday, while the ECB's surprise rate cut last week will be followed by the region's IP data due out on Friday. Another eventful week, traders, so do stick with us. Over to metals now, and that disappointing NFP figure was good news for gold, as gold futures bounced off a 12-week low to end Friday's session mildly higher. On the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold for December delivery tacked on 0.06% or 80 cents to settle at $1,267.30 a trout ounce by the close of trade on Friday. In the week ahead, investors will be looking ahead to Friday's US data on retail sales and consumer sentiment for further indications on the strength of the economic recovery and the possible future path of monetary policy. Also on the COMEX, silver for December delivery inched up 0.09% or 1.8 cents on Friday. Prices hit $19.02 an ounce earlier Friday, the lowest since June the 10th. And lastly, crude oil futures declined on Friday on the back of US employment data and as Ukraine and pro-Russian separatists agreed to a ceasefire. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, crude oil for delivery in October tumbled 1.23% or $1.09 to end the week at $93.29 a barrel by close of trade on Friday. Meanwhile, the spread between the Brent and WTI crude contracts stood at $7.53 a barrel by the close of trade on Friday, compared to $7.23 in the preceding week. Well, viewers, DuakscopyTv and Investing.com will be reporting on each event as it happens, so make sure you stick with us. Thank you for watching. Please do tune back in next Monday for the next edition. Goodbye.